Maisy's Bathtime by Lucy Cousins. It's Maisy's bedtime. She runs the water and puts in some bubbles, and in goes duck. Ding dong! Oh, that's the doorbell. Maisy runs downstairs to see who it is. Hello, Tallulah. Maisy can't play now. It's her bedtime. Maisy runs back upstairs and gets undressed. Maisy jumps in the bubbly bath. Ding dong! Who is ringing the doorbell now? It's Tallulah again. Maisy's having her bath now. Come and play later, Tallulah. Oh, where are you going, Tallulah? Tallulah goes to the bathroom and takes off her clothes. Splash, splash. Maisy and Tallulah play in the bath. Hooray!